Good morning everyone, my name is Mangal Sahu and welcome to our channel Om Same Education. Today we are going to learn about NCERT Class 6 Subject Science Chapter 2, whose name is Sorting Metals into Groups. So, before we start this chapter, we have to learn the meaning of this chapter. So, what is the meaning of the chapter? Sorting metals into groups. The other name is classification. Means when we go to the market and we take biscuit. So, when we tell to the seller, give me biscuit, then he easily goes to the biscuit shelf and take it and give you. So, it is a similar example of sorting metals into groups. Means keeping the things in different places. Then let's start our chapter. So there are many objects around us. In our surrounding, there are different type of objects such as blackboard, marker, etc. Matter. So see, what is the matter? Sometimes you have learned that how is the objects made up. There is a theory. Objects are made up of material and material is made up of matter. So this is the theory by which the object is made up. So, now we will tell what is the matter. Matter. Anything that has mass and occupies space. So, what is the matter? When anything has mass means weights and it occupies space, it is called as the matter. Then, now come to our topic object. The objects which are made up of according to our need may be one kind of material or more than one kind of material. So see, here is written that object, it is made by according to our need. Means we need plastic chair, so we will take plastic chair. We will take wood chair, so it will give wood chair. So similar, the objects are made up of one kind of materials or more than one kind of materials. Means of one kind of materials or more than one kind of materials. So, a similarity of one kind of material is gold jewelry. If we will take only pure gold jewelry, then it will be smashed. So, we need to mix copper with it, which makes it strong. And in this process, the gold jewelry is made up. Then, now we will take some certain materials from which objects are made up of. So, wood. Now, objects that are made up of wood are chair, table, door, windows, bed, etc. Means chairs, tables, door, windows, bed, etc. are made by wood. Then paper. Objects made by paper are book, newspaper, greeting cards, etc. Then leather. So the objects made by leather are jackets, bags, shoes, purses, etc. So these all are made by what? Leather. Plastic. Now, objects made by plastic are toys, bottles, containers, chairs, tables. Now curtain. Cloth is thread, pillow, curtains, towels, etc. These all are made by the curtain. Now, you have learned the meaning of the sorting materials into groups. Its other name is classification. So, what is the classification? The process of grouping of objects according to their similarities and dissimilarities. Now, similarities and dissimilarities means you will take biscuits, googly or marigold. It will be kept in a separate shelf. Why? Because there are one group biscuit. There are biscuit but other names. So these are the similarities. Now dissimilarities, detergent and Maggi. Detergent is used for clothes washing and Maggi is used for eating. But we can't use the detergent for eating or we can't use Maggi for cloth washing. So these are the dissimilarities. Now, so what is the meaning of classification? According to the similarities and dissimilarities, the objects are grouped of each other. Then, what is the need of classification? See, to reach near them easily and to find them easily. Means the needs of classification is we can easily go there or near to the object and we can find their properties easily. Then, now basis of classification. You will tell that how is classification done, on which basis it is done. So see, color, shape, size, hardness, solubility, textile, etc. Means on this basis the classification is used. Next is appearance. So we have already learned basis of classification. So now different of classification. In which way we will classify the object. So first comes appearance. So what is the appearance? The type of which the object is looking like. Means here is the marker. It is looking like a cylinder. Okay, so that is its appearance. Means the object is looking like a type. It is called as its appearance. So appearance cleared. Then luxurious. So what is the luxury? The shining properties of material is called luxury. So see what is luxury. The shining property means an object is there. If it shines, its property is called as the luxury. Then the metal shine in their pure state. Means the metals like gold, silver, it in their pure state they shines. Okay, shines in their pure state. Now some example of luxury is copper, gold, silver, iron and all metals. Okay, so what is the example of luxury? Gold, silver, copper, iron and all the metals. And one important is there that the salt is not a metal but can shine. Means the salt also have luxurious property as it is not a metal but it has luxury property. Then now hardness. So Hardness means we will think a solid object. Okay, so a solid substance may be soft or hard. A solid substance may be soft or hard. Okay, so first we will take example of hard. The material cannot be compressed or scorched easily. So, what is the hardness or the hard? It is the object or the substance or material which is not compressed or scorched easily. Some examples are stones, irons, etc. Now, soft. So, what is the soft? The material can be compressed or scorched easily. Means a material that we can compress or scorch easily. So, some examples are cotton and sponge and etc. Then now, what is the soluble and insoluble? There is another, that soluble and insoluble. So, what is the soluble? The substance that are dissolved and disappear on the water. If we will put it on the water, then it will disappear or it will vanish, or it can be mixed with the water. Some example is salt, sugar, lemon, juice, etc. Some examples are salt, sugar, lemon juice and etc. So now insoluble, the substance that cannot be dissolved or disappear on water. Means if we will put the insoluble substance, it will not disappear or not vanish in the water, or it can't be dissolved. Then some examples: wood, chalk, cold and what? Sand. If we will mix the sand, chalk, wood, etc., we can find out that it is the insoluble substance. In our next video, we will learn about our remaining subjects. Thank you.